The Mayans, an agricultural society that routinely sought protection from their gods by offering up food, such as beans, corn, and potatoes. Boring. Those are some pretty lame gifts. No wonder the gods decided to end the world. But we think we've found a way to prevent this whole 12-21-12 apocalypse thing. That's why we ventured deep into the jungle.
Sígame, come on.
Searching for an ancient site with an offering that would finally appease the gods.
Whoa. Vénganse. Vámonos.
JELL-O pudding, the funnest sacrifice ever.
Call me loco, but I think this is gonna work.
Fingers crossed, we'll see you on the 22nd.